Now let us understand sorting. But to understand sorting, let us go to the data that we had created earlier, that is fruits. Why we are not applying sorting on this particular file is because we are here categorizing our data activity wise, and here we do not need any sorting. Now before we start sorting, let me explain you what sorting is. Sorting is arranging your data in any particular order. That order could be anything, like how in your schools you are assigned roll numbers alphabetically, like those with the name having alphabets A, B, C will be given roll numbers like 1 to 3, and those with names or surnames that starting with the last alphabets will be getting the last roll numbers. So sorting is basically arranging your data in some format or in some order. So what orders there can be? One is alphabetical, which is A to Z, or you can also have reverse alphabetical order, that is Z to A. Then secondly, it can be numerical. Numerical means the smallest value to the largest value and largest value to the smallest value. So as you can see this particular data, here we have, as I told you, some, let's say 10 students, and here are the fruits that they consumed. So let us say I want to sort it alphabetically. I want to arrange all these fruit alphabetically and then see who consumed what. So I will select this data. I will go to the sort and filtering option. It is the same from where we had applied filter. There you can see there are two options, sort A to Z or sort Z to A. Now A to Z is alphabetical and Z to A is reverse alphabetical. So let's say we select A to Z. The moment we click on any particular option, we will be given a warning that whether we want to expand the selection or continue with the current selection. So I will, as of now, click on the expand the selection and click on sort. So you will see all the records with Apple has moved ahead, then grapes, then orange, because A comes first in the alphabets, then G, and then O. And along with this data, the corresponding student who ate or who consumed that fruit has also been moved. Now, as you can see, that roll number 1 has consumed orange and 2 has consumed apple. Now let's say we undo the changes that we just did. So now if we select this data again and apply this one, which is Z to A, and rather than expanding the selection, we continue with the current selection, you will see that data has been sorted in reverse alphabetical order. But corresponding data, which is this particular numbers, have not changed. That means now you do not know this belong to which number. So that is why it is recommended that you always click expand the selection. When you click on expand the selection, your particular data gets sorted or moved along with entire row. Now other than this, you can also have numerical sorting. If I click on this, and you will see the options that was coming A to Z and Z to A has now changed to smallest to largest and largest to smallest. So if we select on this, give the selection, you will see data will be sorted numerically. Now let us try and apply custom sort, which means you define the order in which you want your data to be sorted or you want your data to be arranged. So for that, we will select this data. We will go to sort and filter. Rather than selecting these two, we will click on custom sort. Then this dialog box will open where you will define on which column do you want to apply the sorting. So we will say fruit, sort by what? Values or colors. So we will say values, and in order, rather than selecting this, let us click on custom list. Here you can see we have different lists. It also has the list that we had created to use autofill. Now here, let us click on new list and give the order that you want your data to be sorted. Let's say I type grapes, apples and oranges and click on add. When I click OK, you will see data will be sorted as per the order we have given and not alphabetically or numerically. So this is how you can sort or arrange your data in either given way, that is alphabetical or numerical, or with your custom order.